I would like to share one of the cool tools to install the packages. Our packages allow to install Sentinel data. Let's install this package. There are it's I mistakenly you should put inverted comma. How it works. Takes sometimes. Now we have successfully installed the package sen2r, and it have complete, and it also installed some of the dependent packages. You can see that it has installed so far some of the installed like map edit, map view, leaf palm, leaflet, and these are the different packages. It's also been installed here, so I can do it like library sen2r run. Yes, it has been successfully 100%. Then I will call it sen2r. Let's say this is the this will open after this, and in this format you can even download in different format. I will go for a special temporal, and I will choose the date here. In this date I will choose 2020, and I will like to know the upper northing and easting. You can set a bounding box, but I will invalid. I don't know the bounding box, so I will go in this option, draw it on a map. I'll draw a triangle, rectangle, poly rectangle, and then I will choose a Nepal Dolakha district for our study area. Set a bounding box. This is the Dolakha district. I'll choose this one. So first I will draw from here. If you mistakenly like this, I have done a mistake, then you can just click cancel, or you can do it from here. Still mistake, so I will do from here. This, yes. Then say okay. It will take some times. So you can say load a vector file. Then I can choose other option also. For items has been selected.